Okay.
I think now it is audible. Okay. So very good evening all of you guys. Welcome to Unacademy. Welcome to Kreatryx channel. So today I'm with one of our old student Teja Priya, and she cracked recently the campus placement with NVIDIA, and she will be sharing all her success story and all the inputs for your career guidance or whatever doubts you have regarding the GATE preparation. All the doubts you can clear in this session, guys. So get ready with all your questions, guys. Let's start. So, Priya, welcome to the session. I am very happy. First of all, hearty congratulations from my side. I am very happy to see your success. So, how are you feeling now?
Very good evening to you, sir. Thanks on the congratulations. I feel so happy. Actually, NVIDIA is my dream company. Coming to digital real estate side, anyone wishes to be in NVIDIA company. And my basics are strong from your digital electronics course. And really, your group helped me a lot to crack the gate. And ISCC, where I am, it is all possible through the interaction that happened in the group, which was very helpful to each and every one of us. I'm very helpful, and I am feeling very happy on my success.
Thank you so much. Okay, okay. So let's start. Okay, can you introduce yourself regarding your BTech and what you have done immediately after your BTech, your GATE journey, everything? Can you share some inputs with our students?
Hi everyone, I am Teja Priya. I have done my BTech in Electronics and Communication Engineering branch from JETU Kakinada. I have appeared for the GATE exam in the 2020 in my final year BTech exam. In the third year BTech holidays, I have attended one of the offline coachings where Bhima Sankar sir had taught me the network analysis and digital electronic coaching classes. And also he formed a group where he was interacting with everyone, which is still available now, where he was interacting with everyone and where we used to discuss our doubts and where we used to clear each other doubts. And that helped me in the GATE preparation during when I used to solve my doubts and all. I cracked the GATE in 2020 itself with Air 276 rank. With the same GATE score, I have joined ISC Bangalore in Microelectronics and DLSA branch in 2021 year. In the meanwhile, since it is Corona, I did not prefer joining the Mtech in 2020. Instead, I joined Meda R&D Private Limited, which is in Hyderabad, where I worked for 6 months as a graduate engineer trainee. And then with the same GATE score, which is valid for 3 years, I have joined in Mtech MBLSA. And in the campus interview sessions, which are being held in the second year, I have cracked the NVIDIA as an ESE engineer profile.
Okay.
This is my brief journey, sir.
Okay. I think you are very fast. Okay, guys, I will explain it slowly for you guys. She did her BTech from JNTU Kakinada. Okay, she is also from my same home city. Okay, and after her BTech and during the BTech, she took some offline coaching where I used to taught in 2019. Then she joined an academy in 2020. In 2020, joined an academy, right? And she got the gate rank of 200 something, 260, I think. I remember, right? Okay. Then she didn't join due to the corona. She didn't went for MTech in she got the admission in IIT Madras, but she didn't join and worked in some company for a few months. Then this year she joined ISC Bangalore. Okay, and you are doing integrated course now, 3 years course.
No, sir, it's a 2 years MTech course itself.
Okay, 2 years MTech course she is doing. Now she got the opportunity to crack this NVIDIA examination. Okay, so have you done any internship for this?
Actually, no, sir. There are particular branches in our college where internship is generally not allowed. We do the project, MTech major project in the summer holidays. So I did not do any internship.
MTech major project with your professor only.
Yes, sir.
Okay, fine, great. So Nishant, please wait. I'll take all your questions to her, and she will be answering all your questions. So let me ask some general questions first. Then after that,
Okay, sir.
definitely she will be answering all your questions. So I think NVIDIA is your dream company. So how are you feeling right now with your success? Just think while preparing for the GATE exam, have you ever thought you will be placed in this? You will be in ISC. So, what are your points for what are your main reasons for the motivation to reach this point? Which particular point motivated you more for your preparation?
Actually, from the first year of BTech itself, I used to join Mtech in a prestigious IIT or ISC college.
Okay,
Since my dream was to do either graduation or post graduation in one of the renowned colleges. Since I did not get the opportunity in BTech, I planned to do Mtech in the same college, and ISC has been my dream college. And since I didn't join in 2020, in 2021, the first round itself, I got selected for microelectronics and VLSI. From then, in 2022, now I have selected digital VLSI as my domain because I have interest in the digital side itself. And NVIDIA has been my dream company, and I mean, examination will be the same level of digital electronics along with the some aptitude, and they'll just test you on your basics and your logical thinking in the interview. So I cracked it in the last week itself. I feel happy about it.
okay, great. So regarding your gate preparation, so during your gate
Yes, sir.
preparation, who motivated? I mean, which particular idea? Maybe some people will get motivated by seeing the number of opportunities in the PSUs, or some people get motivated by seeing the number of placements in the IIT. So your motivation point, I'm asking during your gate preparation.
I wanted to come to IIC or IIT for the environment itself here. I
Okay,
wanted to work with the professors here. I wanted to share the platform with the intelligent people across the world. I wanted to, find myself in whatever interest I am in. So in that way, apart from the package itself, will motivate us because the IITs and IISs will get the best placements in the college.
okay.
Apart from that, I wanted to be in the campus to explore all the resources here.
Oh, great. So I'm very happy to see your answer. I mean, compared to other people, this is a great answer, I feel, because personally, I feel the same thing, guys. While preparing for the GATE exam, your motivation is not regarding the packages you will be getting, the jobs you will be getting. Definitely, it will motivate you because you need to work positively. Means the second thing, very important thing is you must be happy to go to the prestigious universities of our country, the top universities of the country, IITs and IISs. If you are there, the environment itself teaches you a lot of things because you are surrounded by people who are the most intellectuals in your country. Some certain set of certain groups of intellectuals will be surrounded by you are surrounded by those kind of people. Automatically, the way you think automatically develops. So you need not worry about the placements you will be getting it. So many people ask me, sir, will I get 100% placement if I join MTech and all those things? Firstly, you will be getting overall development if you join there, and also you'll be enjoying the culture at IIT, you'll be enjoying the environment or whatever maybe, and you will be working with the finest professors in the country. And you will be, suppose here, don't worry about the job. With my experience, also, I'm saying if you talk with those kind of professors or if you work with those kind of professors involved in some projects and all, automatically the way you think will change a lot. So ISC is very famous for research. So why you are not inclined towards research? Why you are going for placements? Do you have any future plans for the research?
I don't immediately have this success plan, but I may pursue PhD in my later
Okay.
time.
Okay.
Also, I would like to add a point, sir.
Yeah.
When I used to attend your GATE classes, especially you and Kamish Srivatsap, sir,
Yeah.
used to emphasize the IIT and IIT life, which
Hmm.
actually motivated us apart from the PSUs, where we were inclined mostly to the PSUs because cracking GATE will get us into the PSUs. But instead, you were motivating us in a good way, in which we realize how good the life at IIT is. So
Yeah.
I would like to add that as well.
Okay. Sure. Thank you. So guys, this is one of the valid point, guys. I don't say that. I mean, all opportunities are equally good, whether it is PSU, whether it is ESE examination or your state level examinations. All opportunities are equally good. It is an individual choice. But I have seen many people running after only one set of opportunities. Everybody want one set of opportunities where the number of opportunities are limited, and many people are neglecting. I have seen Nishant or someone. I think Ravi Teja somebody Nishant commented he got a very good gate score but not joined IIT. I have seen many people like this. They don't know the value of the IIT or what they will be getting after joining the IIT Mtech. Okay, not only placements, guys. There are a lot of opportunities in research side. You can go. Once you go there, your mind will open up. Generally, people will think in a way, I need to get an immediate job, I need to settle, I need to go in the morning, I need to come out in the evening. This is the life of an engineer. You will be thinking in this simple cycle only. Once you go to IIT or any premier institutes, the way you think will change. You will be open up for n number of opportunities. You need not be worrying about the jobs you will be getting it. You may always think of trying something else. So these are the things I used to say in the class or whatever. I am giving you the live example and I am also explaining you the same thing. If this point motivates you further and those who are watching the live, if it motivates and you people prepare well, I hope this session is more successful. Okay, so Priya, when you are going to join, I think now you are in the second year of your MTech, right?
Yes, sir, in the second year.
Okay. So, what is, I think I want to ask a few basic questions regarding the VLSA. Suppose the people want to join VLSA, what are your
Yes, sir.
suggestions? Suppose the electrical engineering students mainly, because EC students, they feel it is their core area of working. Suppose, I hope in your MTech also many of your classmates might be from electrical engineering background.
Yes, sir.
Do they need to do some exercise before coming to VLSA domain, or what are your suggestions for them?
Actually, we have basic subjects like digital VLSA and analog VLSA in the first semester itself.
Mhm.
But I have seen people from EEE and instrumentation background in my class too. It will be really helpful for them if they learn basics about Verilog and this digital electronics course. Along with that, there are some courses in the online NPTEL itself where they can find this digital IC design. These basics will help them a lot. If they learn them and come, it will be helpful for them to go with the flow. Else, it will be a little difficult for them in the beginning.
But it is not impossible. I think many people after coming
It's
there,
not
they will
not at
manage
all
definitely.
impossible, sir.
Yes.
Many people join without any prerequisites here, and
Okay.
they're pretty good with it. And I mean, I will give you an example. One from EEE background has cracked the same NVIDIA interview which I am in now.
Okay, great. So guys, you can understand because many electrical engineering students ask me if you are interested to start a career in VLSA.
Yes,
Okay,
sir.
even your gate rank with electrical engineering, if you have got a top rank in the gate electrical engineering, you get some limited set of seats available for VLSA MTech. So you
Yes.
can try it. You need not worry. It is not my core subject like that. It once you join MTech, always you start learning from the basic. Okay, or learning in a different way, learning in a one particular channelized part of your total engineering. So no need to worry. It is equally good for electrical engineering students also if you are thinking about it. So basically, which particular subjects they must be strong if they want to start the career in VLSI.
In let's say, as you know, there will be two domains, sir, analog
Yes.
and digital. So if
Mhm.
they're interested in analog, they should be a little strong with analog electronics, and if they're interested in digital VLSI, they should be strong with this digital electronics. Those are the prerequisites before coming here.
Okay.
Rest will be taken care in the MTech course itself. They just
Okay.
have to
And anyway, the
find the
basic
resources.
subject networks must be strong to understand
Yes,
any
sir,
of this.
networks must be strong anywhere because it is the basics.
Okay. So guys, please understand the importance of the basic subjects. Many people are used to see that they will start the subject always with the core subjects. They will start their preparation. At the end, they will worry, sir, my basic subjects are not yet
Yes,
completed. मैं तो अभी शुरू करना चाहिए यार. Basic के लिए मैं crash course कर रहा हूँ and I will continue my preparation. I cannot give more amount of time for the basic subject. This kind of attitude many students are having it. So kindly change this attitude. Firstly, make your basics as strong as possible. Select a teacher who can give you the best in the basics. So because for the basics, n number of resources are available. Because relatively, if you teach easy in the basics, also it will work. But you choose an area or choose an expert who can give you the in-depth knowledge in the basics, or who can teach you to the best way, such that you will understand every single concept in a proper way. So that you need to do, guys. So don't never neglect the basic subjects. Mainly you can see network analysis, digital circuits and analog circuits, all these three subjects. If you are really interested in VLSA, don't miss these three subjects. Okay, if you learn, see, one thing I have observed, many students, if you are good during your BTech days with some basic subjects, throughout your career it will help you. Undoubtedly, your basics must be strong. If your basics are not strong throughout your career, you will always feel some sort of difficulty, some sort of insecurity at some point of life, definitely. But if you are very good with your basics, undoubtedly you will be more happy. So this point, please keep it in your mind. Okay, many of us, including me, when I was a student from middle class background, we want to change our financial status. You want to be a face of your total family. You want to change the financial status of your family. Definitely all these things are possible, guys, if you work hard and prepare for this gate examination and crack some IIT or whatever you are dreaming for. Definitely there will a lot of consequences in your life or your family status. Many things will change. So how is your father, and how is his reaction after knowing about this?
He is very happy, sir. Actually, he wanted me to get what I want. Since
Okay.
I cracked it, he's very happy. And even when I got into IISc, he was very happy. And
Okay.
this is the second time I am very happy in my case.
Okay.
Also, sir, same as you told, the basics itself, if you are good in network analysis, analog circuits is not a big thing. If you
Yes.
you just need to know the how device works.
Yes.
So the same you can observe here also, sir. Even in the interviews of the ISC, they mainly focus on the basics itself. So once you're strong in basics, everything becomes easy, sir, as you told.
Yes. So I think ISC, whenever you want to enter into ISC, they will conduct a separate exam, and they will when they conduct the exam, they will emphasize more on math also.
Actually, in 2020 and 2021, we did not have exam because it was Corona,
Yeah.
and there were some other criteria through GATE rank and the academic marks, which were 10th, Inter, and BTech. Through that, they have taken the thing. But generally, we have an entrance exam for IISc, sir.
Yes. So maths also they need to take care, as per my
Yes, sir.
understanding.
Even in the GATE, maths forms a major part. So.
Hmm. Yeah. Okay, great. So let me ask few questions from the students. Guys, you have any kind of questions? She is not from IIT Madras. She got because she got IIT Madras and IISc also. She chose IISc Bangalore. So how does 2 year gap only after BTech affects during the placement? To Venkatesh ka question, I think you also have 1 year gap. It's not gap.
Yes,
You
sir.
have some experience, but you can say this. You can answer this question.
I have seen people with gap, but that doesn't affect if you are, I mean, if you're strong enough, the gap doesn't at all affect. You can simply tell the valid answer, which will be the preparation gap for most of the people. That will be still valid and that will not become an issue.
So gap is not a big issue, guys. It depends. If you are able to answer, you have some justifiable answer for that question, you can happily ignore about it. Don't worry much about your gap. So regarding the easy gate preparation, okay.
Yes, sir.
So what are you want to share any inputs regarding the preparation? Because during the college itself, you cracked the gate exam. So
Yes, sir.
you need to
I
manage the
continue.
college project, examinations, and also your gate preparation. Many students have this difficulty. So if you want to share some tips, it will be definitely helpful for our students.
I have seen most of the people starting the GATE preparation after the second year itself. In the second year summer holidays, people go for 2-3 months crash course, and once they come back during the third year, they start preparation. I have seen people succeeding in that way, and mine is a different case. I have started after third year summer holidays, and I have been to the crash course for a month, and then it was my self study along with the Unacademy help for some subjects and
Yeah.
your guidance too. I've started with the basic subjects, as you know, digital electronics, signals and systems, network analysis,
Yeah.
these and EMTL as well. These were the and maths. Once you start with these basic subjects, the other subjects like communication and all will become easy, sir. So once you start with basics, once you are done with the preparation, studying each and every concept, irrespective of their weightage, once you have to go through the everything because we don't know how the weightage changes in every year
Yes. Yes.
because it will be set by different IITs. And
Mhm.
then I've started giving this Unacademy test and also test series I have given, and I have used them to rectify my mistakes. And in that way, I cracked the gate. So what I'll be saying is, if you have a chance, start the gate preparation as fast as possible, whether it is online or offline. Stay in touch with the gate subjects till the end of your exam and make revise thoroughly and make a short notes of all the important points. Keep your basic strongs and give some online test series such that you will be familiar with using the calculator and this time constraints and everything.
Okay, great. Thank you. So guys, a few points are very really important in your preparation, guys. Like she said, one of the important points: start your preparation with the basic subject. This is the basic fundamental of your GATE preparation. And one more thing: start your preparation as early as possible. If you are in the second year, third year, that is the right time to start your GATE preparation. Already you are in final year or pass out, that's a different case. But my suggestion: start as early as possible. If you start early, you always have some advantage in your preparation. You have sufficient time to continue your preparation, sufficient time to revise the things, and always stay in touch. You never do these things. I will take a gap of 1 month, 2 months in my preparation, sir, and again I will resume my preparation, sir. These kind of things will never work. Keep consistent effort. Small efforts also it is fine, but give your efforts as consistent as possible. Keep in touch with the subject, and also maintain what we call revise the things periodically. These are the few inputs definitely will work in practice, guys. So I am showing you the practical example, and I'm giving you these inputs. Generally I give the same inputs, but now you can understand the things more properly, more practically. Okay. So one more thing I want to suggest you guys, now some of the Divyanshu saying please bring more students. Definitely, if you are interested, I can bring more and more of our students who are succeeded with their career, and if they are able to motivate you and tomorrow you are able to come to this live session, she will be more happy and I will be more and more happy, no doubt in it. Okay. So sir, 5 year drop matters for Mtech and placement. Within that is what we are saying. If you are able to justify what you have done in these 5 years, whether what you did is a different thing, or if you are able to justify what you have done in a proper way, it doesn't matter much. Okay, that is what I am saying. Okay, she is from ECE background only. Any other question? Okay. How is NVIDIA entrance test? Is there any opportunity for the? I mean, you are from IIT, so directly you got an opportunity from the ISC. You got an opportunity through placements, campus placement, right? You have the written exam also.
Yes, sir. We still have the written exam and we still have the interview rounds.
Yes.
The written exam mainly focuses on the digital electronics since it is an ESIC engineer profile,
Okay.
and some of the ESIC basics, and also the aptitude as I mentioned, and your logical analysis.
Okay, great. And few more questions, because these questions are more interested for the students. I mean, they will be they want to know these things. So how are the placements at IISc? I mean, you can say the average pay and highest pay. Those numbers definitely motivates our students, undoubted.
Like most of the students, we have a slot-wise policy here, wherein the companies offering a greater packages comes first. And we have finished the slot one just a week back, and most of us are placed. Only a few, you can say that only 20% are left for the slot two, and still in the slot two we have good companies like you, AMD, which acquired Xilinx recently, and Intel, MaxLinear, Rambus. These are the good companies you will listen in VLSI domain. These students still have the chance to go there. And in the first slot, companies like NVIDIA, Texas Instruments, Samsung, Cisco, Qualcomm, these have visited us. So Analog Devices, and these are the few good companies which have visited us. Though the ISC is research oriented, students here still get the good placements. And even they are research oriented, after the first year, they can go to the research stream as well. You can choose any of the possible streams here.
Okay, great. So you can see, guys, these kind of companies mostly they will recruit from the people from IITs and NITs only. So keep this point in your mind. So if you see, even with your degree from BTech also you get a placement, but there will be difference. She got a placement as per my knowledge during her BTech. Okay, and compared relatively, I think at least 10 times more package she got it now. Okay, if she is satisfied with that particular job, okay, she don't worry about the GATE exam, she don't worry about the MTech, or why to study again, why to work hard again. All these things comes into if she don't think of all these kind of things, she may not be able to succeed like this today. So guys, there is no limit for your success. You can definitely succeed. First aim for it. First understand what are the opportunities available for you. You have many possible opportunities. Don't settle for the limited number of opportunities. Keep these points in your mind. So n number of opportunities are available, provided you must be from the premier institute doing a good proper branch. Definitely you can see the difference. Okay, how many rounds of interview some people are asking? I love your.
For India, it's a single round. For different companies, it differs. Like, though it is a single round, you have 3 panel members. For some companies, you take Qualcomm, it is 2 round interview. Mostly, it will be 2 or 3 with HR.
Okay, great. So, fine.
If it is off campus, it will be have to maintain a good CGPA and all. So the actual things really change there.
Okay. Do you have any resource or do you have any inputs you want to share to our students? Some of the students are cracking this. Some companies through offline also. I mean, through
Yes, sir.
off campus also. So, is there any particular way they can go for it?
Yes, sir. You know that the basic subjects will still be analog electronics and digital electronics. Apart from that, if they want to study some courses like Verilog and VHDL, there are some good NPTEL courses from IIT Madras. They can find it in the YouTube. They are free to everyone. Those courses will make us strong in subjects, and you can start applying them as you do. To learn it. There are so many sources in the Google, and also for this digital VLSI design, there is a good course from IIT Madras and NPTEL, wherein they teach about the CMOS circuits and all. So everything is free content, sir, which is available in YouTube.
Great. So guys, if you want to learn Verilog, VHDL, so many people ask me, sir, is there any source to learn it? Best source she has suggested, that is your IIT Madras NPTEL lectures. And also today one of my student sent me message. He got selected in campus placement with 6 lakhs package. Then he tried VLSI, got 18 lakhs package. Then I asked him how you able to do this. So that those inputs will be helpful for you. He said that he went for the LinkedIn. He followed the HR profiles of many companies. He interacted with them. Luckily, one or two responded, and he is able to select. So, if you dig deep, there are n number of ways. गूगल पे जाओ, लिंक्डइन पे जाओ, जॉब पोर्टल्स पे जाओ, ओके कुछ कंपनी वाले लोग से ट्विटर पे, फेसबुक में, यू फाइंड दोज पीपल, यू कैन इंटरेक्ट विद दोज पीपल, ट्राई टू सेंड योर resume. Before that, you must be strong with your subject. These things must matter. First make your subject stronger and do anything, it will work. Okay, so if whatever the subjects you want to learn, if not gate, your gate preparation will help you. Firstly prepare gate to the fullest possible, so that your basics will become strong. That preparation definitely will help you in a number of ways. So guys, lastly, last 5 minutes, you people want to ask any questions, you can ask me. I can convey the questions to her, she will answer your questions. Otherwise we can end the session. Okay. सर, हाउ टू एनालाइज टेस्ट सीरीज? विश्वनाथन, टेस्ट सीरीज के लिए मैं तो अलग सेशन लेता हूँ, इसमें हम बात कर सकते हैं। जैसा टेस्ट सीरीज का क्लास नोट से रिवाइज कर सकते हैं, एंड टेस्ट सीरीज में जो क्वेश्चंस में गलत हो रहे हैं ना, वेयर यू आर गेटिंग मिस्टेक्स, दोज यू एम्फसाइज मोर, शॉर्ट नोट्स पे हाईलाइट करो, एक दो बार रिवाइज करो. ओके, दीज थिंग्स. एंड first check what we call where you are weak. I mean, marks analyze karo, silly mistakes. First thing, please avoid that. Okay, Amitra's the question, sir. If someone can't speak English properly, so he will be able to get selected in the interview.
You can still manage with the basic English, sir.
Yeah.
Like you need not be fluent enough in the English. They'll try to understand what you're saying.
Yes.
If it is an offline interview, it will not be a barrier. Language will never be a barrier.
Great. So Amit, all you need to do is you need to convey what you know. These are the things. Okay. You need not have great fluency. They are not expecting that from you. Okay. You don't need to have a great accent, or you don't need to have a great fluency. Your grammar, all those things doesn't matter. You are able to convey what you know, or what they are asking. You are able to answer it in a that is if you are able to communicate, that's enough. Okay. Any other questions, guys? Uh, yeah, not see here. Firstly, prepare for the gate. Okay, I suggest you, always go for top institutes only, because try for that only. If it is required, take one more year, but go to top university. Even you get a branch which is not more famous, also it is fine. Or if you have a plan for PhD, you can do your Mtech from any college. That will also work. So Mtech, if there is no, so last two questions. If no internship in the BTech, will it affect during the Mtech?
No, sir. I also did not have a particular internship in BTech. I just attended a BSNL course where they just teach the students for 1 week, and I even did not mention it in the resume. Even I did not have an internship in the Mtech. So the projects you do in the Mtech will matter more than the internships that you do in the BTech.
Okay. For electrical core, I'll bring some other. Okay, then we can talk about it. This is regarding ECE. If you want Verilog and VHDL, if you want to go for VLSA, this is for the ECE students. Okay. Narayan Singh, how to be confident throughout the interview if you don't know the answer properly? What's your suggestion?
You should not boast that you know everything. If you don't know something, you can clearly say that I aware of it. You should be clear about what you know. There is still interview and other things.
Yes.
Like
fine.
If you're not confident with C, you can still say that you just know the basics.
Okay.
And if you're confident with digital, you can put out your interest that this is my strong area. Then they'll interview on the same. Even if you skip one or two questions, it will not be a big issue.
Okay. So one more most regular question but important question.
Yes.
I'm an average student, sir. How can I clear the gate in 1 year? If you make, I can answer it. I will. If you make a consistent effort, definitely you can make it. Those who achieved, all those people are not rankers. All those people are not toppers, guys. Many of them are average students only. In fact, I think Priya, in your college, topper may not be able to crack the. Many of the toppers might not be able to crack the gate exam. Am I correct?
Yes, sir.
Yeah.
As you told, it's only the consistency.
Yes.
I have told you about a boy who has studied from the second year, and with the same consistency, he has got Air 22 rank, which is after so many years from the same JNTU Kakinada.
Okay.
So it's just a consistency, sir.
Okay.
You can take my case as well. I was not preparing for the gate from the second or third year itself.
Yeah.
So, but when I started preparation, I did not stop it till the gate exam. So that helped me.
Okay. If you are from double E, if you get going in top 100, it is always more advantageous to enter into VLSA in the premier institutes. In electrical engineering, what's your say? Teja, I think VLSA, if they want to go to VLSA, electrical engineering, how much time there you can
So
expect?
it's only the interest that it matters. After electrical engineering, if they find their interest in VLSI, they won't find it that difficult. As I already told you, there
So
is
they are
still
asking
some
about,
people
I think, rank.
who
Yeah, gate rank. We need to. What are the, I think, cutoffs? You know, any idea? Maybe your classmates.
I have no idea, but I can share you the details so you can share with them. I'll ask my classmates about it.
Okay, so I'll get in touch with her and I will update you, Govind. Okay, my suggestion, around 300. If you get the rank, there are fair number of chances. If you are in top 100%, you have a great chance. Okay.
Yes, sir.
Vijay?
If you are 300, you will be given a chance to give the interview.
Yeah,
So
after
you will be
300, if
shortlisted
you are
for
able
the
to prove it during the interview, so that's fine. Okay,
It's fine.
so that is, I hope I'm able to answer you guys. So guys, those are the questions from your side, and she helped you a lot. Okay, I think she have a lot of works regarding her project and all those things, but she want to help you all. So I'm very happy you are here today and helped many of our students. From on behalf of all of our students, I want to thank you once again, and all the best for your bright career. I can see the bright career. You also incline towards research, I feel, and our country needs many researchers or many young talented people like you. So concentrate on research also and join your dream job. All the very best. Thank you very much.
Thank you so much, sir. You keep on encouraging students like me, and they'll come. They'll surely succeed in the same way I have done. Though
Thank
I did
you.
not take a proper gate preparation, you have guided me in every step, and I'm here majorly. And I want to thank you because of that. Thank you so much for being there whenever I needed you in the preparation. Sir. Thank you so much.
Thank you. Thank you. I do remember, I think in during your first message, you asked me to guide for PSUs. At that time, right?
Yes, sir.
So, but I feel that you get a better opportunity in the future, definitely, and that's proved. Okay. Thank you very much for your time. All the best. Okay. You can
Thank
sign
you so
off.
much.
I'll talk to the learners and
Okay,
I
sir.
will. Thank you very much.
Okay.
So guys, if you want, I can bring many of my students like this who cracked the examinations, gate examinations, are able to succeed in their dream jobs. Okay, so many students regularly they will send me the text messages, or we are selected here, there. Many number of students regularly they used to send me. Okay, and today I want to share some details regarding Unacademy. Thank you very much, guys. Okay, so Unacademy 7-day free trial is available, guys. If you want to subscribe, I mean, it is completely free. You want to see the Unacademy classes, you want to taste the Unacademy classes, you can join this. This link is available in the video description. Otherwise, you can use this QR code and subscribe. I mean, it is free for you. 7 days, you can watch the classes and take a decision regarding your preparation. It is available up to October 18th. You can start your journey. Okay, and so if you want to take for the GATE and ESE preparation, an academy can help you to get loan also. You can call to this number, guys. So these are the new batches going on, Brahmastra batch, Gurukul batch. Many batches are going on right now with an academy, guys. So already I started. Yeah, the digital circuits I have started today only, guys. If you want to join, happily you can join. You can start your preparation for 2023, 2024, 25, whatever may be according to your area. I mean, year of engineering. So today I have started this on the plus class. Now it is free for you also. You just enroll to the free subscription and you can enjoy the class. Okay, daily 5 p.m. to 7 p.m. I am taking the classes. You just attend two classes, you can understand the difference in the content or quality. You want to have the best content for digital, I'm happy to help you guys. Okay, digital networks and analog, all these three subjects I can give you the best for your preparation. If you want to, if you are aiming for core EC engineering or core electrical engineering, the network basics also very helpful. I'm always happy to help you, whether it is an academy platform or the YouTube platform. But all you need to do is your preparation. Show your, if any student I feel this student is very consistent and preparing regularly, attending the classes regularly, I always extend my efforts to any level. Sometimes I used to reply at night 1 a.m., 12 p.m. Many times, many people used to be in touch with me. Okay, and one more thing, you can also join my Telegram channel. Okay, Shankar 10 is the Telegram channel name. You can join and keep in touch with me. Okay, so Shankar 10 is the name of my Telegram channel. You just Google it, you will be getting it. Okay, otherwise, this is the link, official Telegram channel. You can enroll. Okay, I'll bring more number of students like you, like this regularly, at least once in a week, and I'll be motivating you. Okay, prepare well, guys. Definitely, I want to interview many of the people who are in the chat right now. Okay, all the very best, guys. Thank you. Okay, thank you very much. Love you all. Bye bye. Okay, so guys, so thank you very much for your time, guys. All the very best. I'll bring more number of sessions like this. I'm always happy to guide you. All the very best. Keep your efforts consistently. Definitely, you will be able to succeed. Let's